Hi guys, good morning. It's ASB here. I'm just going to install this McLaren GT3 F1 looking wheel into my DD Pro and replace it with this GT wheel. I think it's been designed by Polythony from GT7. So we're going to have a go on PC today, F1 2021 today. So I'm going to set it all up today. It'll be the first time that I've used this DD unit on PC, because all I've played it on is PlayStation. So hopefully we should have a better experience, because that's what I've heard. It's a better experience on PC with this DD Pro. Anyway, we should see. I've just attached the quick release on the back of this. It's got two pedals there, guys. Like for, I don't know what these, the bottom one or is for. This has got more of a leverage goes further down. I'm sure this is the gears, but I'm not sure what this is used for. So any of you guys know what it is used for mostly, please let me know in the comment, and we'll hopefully see you tonight, guys. So please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to this channel to help me in this new adventure in sim racing on my channel, which I'm really enjoying. Anyway, catch you soon, guys. Have a good day and God bless. Take care.